Got it here, $250 junk drawer. Probably the biggest junk drawer I've seen. So let's open it up, see what's inside here. Okay. Wow, there's a lot of stuff. There's even something in here. Trying to figure it out. What junk drawer did I buy? I don't even remember. This is almost like a mystery box. So much stuff in here. Swivel clip flashlight over here. Oh, nice. There's a whole bunch of magazines. They're like probably a couple dollars each, but they're high quality, and the packaging and everything, you see 65 cents. So that's like 4 of them or 5. There's like $10 there. Cup, I guess it's for this. Okay, for the vase. Looks like a bronze vase. You can actually recycle it, the bronze. Bronze is expensive. Okay, what else we got here? They're box, made in China. We will have a lot of junk. Oh my god, look at that canister. There's a mousse. Rubber mousse. That's funny. What is this, a camera? Old camera over here, wow. Sometimes some of those cameras are worth some money, the vintage ones. Baseball caps. Ooh, that's pretty hefty. Okay. Would have been better if it was Borovic, but that's cool. And let's take a putt-putt golf thing. More junk. Oh, what's in here? A box within a box. Ooh, it's full. Let's open it close up. More coins. Very well packaged stuff over here. What's in here? Ooh, that's interesting. I have no idea what that is. Not really sure what it is. Have to do a lot of research to figure it out. Some kind of stainless steel cup. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. These things are kind of expensive. That's a vintage deal. You can hold it this way, whatever. Gear deals are always fun. Ooh, no way, there's one more. That is cool stuff right here. Any kind of vintage tools are also always very valuable. Check this out, you see? That is cool, very unique. Okay, packaging. We're almost all the way through. Okay, what's in here? Oh my gosh, Sylvester Stallone movies. Cool. Would be nice if it's a case or something like that. Let's say. Ozark Trails, not too bad. Cheap stuff. Oh, nice, a treasure box. First of all, we have right here Zombox, copper rounds. Those are really valuable. Probably the most out of all of them. Then there's other copper rounds. Look like one of those coins. Watches, pins, interesting pin. Not really sure, probably generic silver. Okay, there's more jewelry. Ooh, sweet. Silver bar, 1 ounce. Sunshine mint. Cards. A whole bunch of pins. What else is useful over here? Oh my goodness, mini Uno. I'll take it. And even more pins. I don't see anything very valuable after that. Okay, let's open these things up. Alright. Cheap stuff. More copper rounds. Zombox copper rounds, that's nice. And a whole bunch of, as you can see, ooh, another one. This is a good one. Harmonica and stuff. 1.5 euro, 2013 silver coin. Ooh, what is that? That's kind of cool. Metal exchange, 39 silver, ½ ounce. That's cool. So like about $18. Wow, I didn't even know it was there. Whole bunch of quarters. $4.50, $5 each. Junk silver, 1942, so that's like $1. Mercury dime, 44. World coins. That's cool. Okay, 1965, 1967, between 1970 and 65. This is a 40% silver, so they're like $3 each, $half. And more world coins. That's cool. Beautiful world coins. Alright. And there's another little pile right here. And we threw. Okay. 65, 68, 69, 65. More interesting world coins. 42, so that's 40% silver is 5 cents as well. 43. The quality is so bad, but it's okay, we'll take it. I have to check some of them. A whole bunch of 5 cents, 40% silver, and a whole bunch of good quality world coins. Let's scan some of the items real quick. $29 off, a whole bunch of them, so like $5. The ones that don't have the barcode probably more valuable, but let's just scan some of them with the barcode just to see if we get anything rare. Oh my goodness, no way. Are you serious? Yeah, just a similar barcode. It's not a $400 comics, but sometimes you can get one, who knows? It's just our own barcode. But if we got one of these, that would have been a nice one for sure. Found one. This one actually a $10 comic, so that's cool. Let me check this one out. This one $3 to $7 if you include shipping. But it's worth checking because there's some are really expensive and might slip through. You see, if you scan a barcode, not always going to pop up. The more valuable would be like 25 cents, 30 cents, the much older ones. But yeah, they bought like $3 to $10, looks like. That's awesome.